क्वेश्चन 10 है, find the sum of all natural number between 1 and 100 which are not exactly divisible by 3 or 7. ठीक है, so let's solve this question. हमारा इसका तरीकाकार क्या है देखते हैं. ठीक, ये हमारी डायग्रामेटिक डिस्क्रिप्शन है फॉर दिस थिंग. हमने इसको क्या डिस्क्राइब किया है, हमने किया है क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 के लिए. The Venn diagram describes the region, total region for the numbers between 1 and 100, where the circle A is a set of all those numbers which are divisible by 3. Circle B reflects the number which are divisible by 7. The common region reflects those numbers which are divisible by both 3 or 7. So they are obviously the number of uh, those numbers which are exactly divisible by 7 or 3. They are in fact LCM of 7 and 3, and they are 21, 42, and so on. They again form an AP. Okay, that's the table of 21. What is our strategy? In fact, first we will find out the sum of an AP from 1 to 100 that will reflected by Sn. Then we will find the sum of all numbers which are divisible by 3 that will reflected by S. Sum of all numbers which are divisible by 7 that will be reflected by S dash. And sum of all those numbers which are divisible by both 7 or 3 that is reflected by S double dash, the common region. And then we will apply this formula. We will be subtracting out all these, like number divisible by 3, number divisible by 7 from the total. But in that way, the common region will be subtracted out twice. So what we will do, we will add that common region as double dash to the result. Okay? That way we will achieve the sum of all those numbers which are divisible by, not divisible by 3, not divisible by 7. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से हम इसको करते हुए आगे चलेंगे. ठीक है जी, तो लेट्स कैलकुलेट दिस थिंग. Okay, so oh, I don't know, there is certain issue with the. Let's start it out. पहले हमारे पास जो AP है वो SN है, तो SN के लिए हमारे पास क्या है, 1 + 2 + 3 से लेकर हमें 100 तक जाना है. So A is 1, common difference is 1. If you find out the sum of 100 number, first natural number, so that will be 100 upon 2, 2A plus n minus 1D, that will be 50. A 1 है, n 99 है और D भी 1 है. So what you end up with, 2 plus 99, that means 50 into 101. And your answer for S100 will be how much? 5050. 5050 जो है वो सम है फर्स्ट 100 नेचुरल नंबर का. ठीक है, with this then you will continue for S3. Now you have a series like 3, 6 and 9. So how many numbers will be there in it up to 99? Because 99 is the last number divisible by 3. If you want to find out the n, then you divide it by 3, then you will come to know that it is 33. So A is 3, common difference is 3, and n is 33. Let you find out the second sum, that is S. S will be n upon 2. फॉर्मूला लगा रहे हैं 2a plus n minus 1 का मतलब 32 और d भी 3 है. So you will be having 33 upon 2. ठीक है, और इसके अंदर ये 6 है और ये कितना हो जाएगा, 3 2 6, 3 3 9. So what you have here as 96 plus 6 is 102, and then you have 33 into 2 5s are 10 and 2 1s are 2, 30 3 into 51. ठीक है, तो that's your result. 33 into 51, and that is 1683. That is S. Next target is for you is the numbers divisible by 7. So you will go for now 7 plus 14 से लेकर आखिरी नंबर जो इसमें आएगा 7 से डिवाइड होता है, वो कितना हो जाएगा? अगर आप 100 को चेक करेंगे तो नहीं होगा। 99 मेरे ख्याल में 7 से डिवाइड होने वाला जो लास्ट नंबर है वो 14 into 7 कितना होता है? 98 होता है। 98 is the last number. 98 is the last number into it, and there are 14 numbers. So A is 7, B is 7, and N in this case is, as we have seen, it is 98. So N is 14. ठीक है, तो इसको भी हम निकाल लेंगे। That is S, हमारी केस में ये S dash है। S dash is 14 upon 2. 2A plus N minus 1 is 13, or D is 7. Okay, so this is 7. 14, 91 होता है, 13 into 7 is 91, or 91 plus 14 into 7 plus 14 into 7, and that is 735. Then we go for the next common region. ठीक है, कॉमन रीजन जो हमारे पास है वो किसका है? एस डबल डैश के लिए, और वो 21 का टेबल है। कॉमन रीजन 21 का टेबल है, 21, 42। ठीक है, इसमें मजीद 21 जमा कर लें, ये कितना हो जाएगा? आप यहाँ चेक कर सकते हैं। ये चलेगा कहाँ तक? 21 into 4 तक चलेगा। 21 into 4 जो होता है 84। तो मेरे ख्याल में 21 into 5 विल बी आउट ऑफ 100। ठीक है, तो 21 into 4 जो है, दैट इज योर लास्ट नंबर, दैट इज 84। ठीक है, तो ये भी एपी आप निकाल लें। एपीएस डैश डबल डैश से रिफ्लेक्ट हो रही है। इसके अंदर ए जो है वो आपका 21 है, डी आपका इसके अंदर 21 है, और एन जो है वो आपका इसमें 4 है। तो दैट इज 4/2, 2a प्लस n माइनस 1। एन जो है वो इसमें 3 हो जाएगा, n माइनस 1, और डी जो है वो 21 है। तो दिस इज 2, 42, 63। So that is how much? 63 plus 42 into 2, that is 210 S double dash. And finally you go for the formula. What you have now, sum of numbers, sum of numbers which are neither divisible by 3 or 7. They are S minus S, Sn minus S minus S dash plus S double dash. So Sn was the first total, was 5050, then minus 1683, then minus 735, then plus 210. The final answer इसको आप कर लें, it will be 5050, very good Aslam, minus 1683 minus 735 plus 210, that is 2842. Okay, guys, so that is the sum of all those numbers which are divisible by, which are not divisible by 7 nor by 3. ठीक है, तो इसमें कोई चीज नहीं समझ में आए तो बता दें आप। ठीक है, आपके सामने है। If anything you don't understand, let me know. 6.2 का question number 14. A boy has 231 marbles. He arranged them in a row so that each row contains one marble less than the preceding one. The last row consists of one marble only, which forms a vertex of the triangle. How many marble are there in the base of the triangle? Okay. So that's your question. They, with 231 marble, you need to form a triangle. ठीक, यानी पोजीशन आपकी क्या है कि आपने 231 मार्बल्स के साथ आपने जो बनाई है वो एक ट्रायंगल बना दी। तो यहाँ पे ऑब्वियसली आपने उसने बताया कि यहाँ पे एक ट्रायंगल में एक वो बचा है मार्बल, फिर ऑब्वियसली ये जब चली होगी तो आगे 2 3 ऐसे चलता गया, लेकिन हमें ये नहीं पता कि यहाँ पे कितने सारे मार्बल आ गए। But we know the total. So total means the total is the sum of all those marbles, and that is given to us. But we don't know in how many rows they are arranged. What we know that Sn is given to us in question number 14. Sn is given to us as 231. Out of that, we know that they started out with one marble and they move out with one marble more in the next row. We don't know the number of rows. We don't know the last term of that Tn. Okay. So what we can do, we can apply the formula for finding out the n. Why? Because we know that Sn is equal to this. ठीक है, ये हमारे पास फॉर्मूला है। इसके अंदर अब हमारे राइट हैंड साइड में वी हैव टू ऑफ द वेरिएबल्स जो हमें मालूम है, n मालूम नहीं, जो हम निकाल लेंगे। लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वाला वेरिएबल हमें गिवन है, दैट इज 231, n वी डोंट नो, a इज 1, n माइनस 1, बिकॉज n वी डोंट नो तो ऐसे ही रहेगा, और d भी 1 है। 2 को क्रॉस कर दें, 462 n, और ये क्या है ब्रैकेट में 2 प्लस n माइनस 1। ठीक है, 2 प्लस n माइनस 1 ये है, और इससे क्या आ जाएगा n, तो दिस इज इन फैक्ट n प्लस 1, और फाइनली यू कैन हैव, इधर मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो n स्क्वायर प्लस n आ जाएगा माइनस 462। ठीक है, तो इसके फैक्टर्स आपको चेक करने पड़ेंगे। ठीक है, इसके फैक्टर्स आप चेक करें कि इसके फैक्टर्स क्या होंगे। तो इफ यू फैक्टराइज दिस, so that's going to give me n square plus 22n minus 21n minus 462 is equal to 0। यहाँ से आप n कॉमन ले लेंगे तो n प्लस 22 आ जाएगा, एक माइनस 21 कॉमन लेंगे तो n प्लस 22 आ जाएगा। So you end up with n plus 22 and n minus 21. So when the product of two things are equal to 0, either n plus 22 equal to 0, which will give you a negative index, which is not possible. ठीक है जी, not possible. Why? Because index is a number which counts, so it is always positive. Or the second one is n1 minus 21 is equal to 0, which will give you n as positive 21. Okay, so that's your acceptable answer. So that is what they have asked for, and you will be answering it in a way. How many marbles are there in the base of the triangle? So there are 21 marbles. There are 21 marbles in the last row. Okay. Anything if you don't understand, you can ask.